On June 4th, 2025, officers at the airport were flagged down by TSA after a passenger became upset when he was denied boarding for being intoxicated.
Who's in charge? Which one of you guys is in charge?
We're equal. We're equals.
Okay. Do I seem intoxicated?
I've only been talking to you about 10 seconds, but I don't know yet. I haven't made that determination. How's that sound?
Okay, I got here. I had one shot at the bar, and I bought everybody a shot on Bob.
Hey, Bob. All right.
Okay, one shot.
Okay.
And then now they're saying I'm intoxicated. I'm not allowed on the plane, and that's bullshit.
Well, who said that?
An asshole down here. Let's go talk to the
well, we're not going to go do that. And you know what we're not going to do either, Bob? Is swear like that. There's a lot of kids around, okay? So
nobody here.
This
is not cool.
So listen, I understand that you're very upset and emotions are kind of high up right here.
Fine, well, Joe's going to be out with me. It's going to be a trouble with customer, disorderly individual.
Okay, but what does that have to do with this situation?
How about I'm mad? I'm not intoxicated. I'm not intoxicated at all.
Okay, well, guess what?
We have no control over who they let fly and who they don't let fly. We can't do anything about that.
Bullshit. How about you guys go give this guy a stern warning so I can get on the plane?
We can't tell a private airline who to let fly.
You guys can't hook a brother up.
There's nothing. We have no control over a private airline.
I'm not drunk. I'm angry.
Okay, you might be angry. You might be drunk. Like I said, I really haven't made that determination.
Do I seem drunk?
It seems like you probably had something to drink, and you admitted that you at least
had one shot.
Okay,
one shot.
That's fine.
You can't get drunk on one shot.
And so they made that determination, a private entity, a private company, Southwest Airlines, I'm imagining that you were flying with today?
Yeah.
Okay. So they made that
You can't put a good word in for me.
No matter what we say.
Not drunk, they already said
we've done this long
flying.
enough. They don't care. That
So
doesn't
Bob,
waste of time.
So what we're gonna do now? Hey, listen, Bob. Come here.
Now.
Oh God.
Here we go.
This is what's gonna happen now. Okay. So now what
I'm gonna get my shit and go.
Okay. Well, your shit's already all down there. So what we're gonna do?
I have no idea where my shit is.
Right. I'm telling you, it's down there. That's how you get it back. Okay. So what we'll do is help you get your stuff, so then you can then leave. Okay. That's what we can help you with. Okay. How's that sound?
Sounds great.
All right. It's right out this way.
Sounds fantastic.
Great. So let's walk out this way.
Name officer.
Jerose. Deputy Jerose. So we're going
this way.
Bob,
I'm going to go get my girlfriend if you don't mind.
Perfect. We'll walk right with you, Bob. Have fun.
3 charges filed: disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, and obstructing governmental administration. Each is legally contestable. On the disorderly conduct charge, Cohen v. California and City of Houston v. Hill established that profanity directed at officers is First Amendment protected speech. Disorderly conduct requires an overt act or direct threat of harm. Verbal frustration, however profane, does not meet that threshold.
You look pretty intoxicated. Just by walking.
No,
so we're going
to be angry,
okay? Girlfriend, we're going to get her out of here and you out of here, and then we're going to have a great rest of the day and not drink. Try to do it again tomorrow. How's that sound? What sounds good?
Oh, not so much longer. We're going to deal with this.
Hey, what's my flight tomorrow? Let's go. This shit.
Hey, listen.
We're not doing this, Bob. No.
This is what's going to happen. You're not going there over, Bob. No.
Bob?
Go, Bradley. Go, Bradley.
All right.
I didn't do anything.
We're done.
I didn't do anything.
We're done.
Hey, you punch me now. Why he's punching me?
Come over here.
Please don't do that to him. Please.
Let me go.
516 hands on. 516 hands on.
Baby.
I didn't do anything.
On use of force, Graham versus Connor requires 3 factors: severity of crime, immediate threat, and active resistance. At the moment of the takedown, no charge had been filed, no field sobriety test was administered, and no weapon was present. Probable cause cannot rest on subjective impression alone. That evidentiary gap substantially weakens the force justification.
This is fair. Yep.
Dude, hitting me.
I got it.
Oh my goodness gracious. Way under the floor to say that.
I did shit.
He didn't do anything. He didn't do anything. He went and asked for help.
Yeah. Karina.
Baby, Baby.
Call 911 on
I'm
these
going
guys.
to. I'm going to.
Call 911 right now. I want state troopers there.
Why?
These guys, they're
It's me
assholes.
treating him.
I didn't do anything. 911.
detained.
Call 911.
Shut up.
Call 911.
You're going down one.
No, call 911. I didn't do
All
anything.
airport units are out. We're good.
Can you stop? My shit is over
We
there.
tried to work with you before, Bob.
All right, my shit is over there.
We're gonna walk now.
How about I get to breathe?
Take all your shit.
Can I breathe?
Just fine.
Please.
Get out of office in 2 seconds.
Officers. Officers. Excuse me, sir. I want to breathe.
We're
Okay.
walking.
Please stop. Fine. Just let me breathe. Just let me breathe, man. Just let me breathe.
Over there.
You. Let me breathe.
Shut up, dumbass. Where
Why
do
you
you think you're at?
why are you
acting
calling
like
me
this?
dumbass?
Because you are.
I didn't do anything.
How old
gonna-
are you?
Can I get a wheelchair? I don't got one.
And act like a grown man yet?
I need to breathe, okay? I have anxiety.
Great, you're in recovery position. You're breathing just fine.
Can you just let me walk?
Yep. Stand up.
I will
You wanna
be
stand
normal. I will be peaceful. Don't drag me.
Just go this way.
Don't drag me. This is not cool.
We're walking with you. Ain't dragging. If you walk, we walk.
No, you're dragging me. Doing their asses. How about I came and asked for help?
Yeah, how'd that work out for you?
Yeah, because you guys are assholes. Can you please let me go?
No.
You think I'm going anywhere?
Yeah, right in here.
No, you're not. That's for sure.
Alright, you guys gonna beat me up too?
Nope.
Eh?
Right where you're going.
Wanna get a broomstick up my ass?
Not a
Assholes?
Shut up. No.
How about you let me go? I'm not causing a
How about
problem.
you act like an adult that you are instead of an idiot?
Smell like a lot of booze. Walk.
I got it.
I do appreciate you guys taking it easy on me right now.
Yeah.
Thank you.
We're trying to do this whole time.
No, you guys were being assholes.
Yeah, good.
Come on, one.
Alright, how about it?
Before, go ahead. Take a seat.
Why are you guys pushing me?
Because you need to sit.
You put the air conditioning
Who
on?
is requiring? What? No.
I want my phone and I'm calling my lawyer.
Hey, stupid. This isn't
Right
Burger
now.
King.
You
Get
don't
our
call me
way.
stupid. You,
Yep, okay.
Martel?
Yep. Make sure
Yeah,
you spell
don't
it
call
right.
me stupid. Do I look stupid?
Yes, you do.
No.
You're a drunk, stupid idiot right now.
On Miranda, the subject invoked the right to counsel unambiguously. Under Edwards v. Arizona, all questioning must cease at that point. Officers continued engaging him. His voluntary admission of marijuana use, made in custody, without counsel, is suppressible at trial. On civil liability on camera insults toward a restrained detainee, create a permanent evidentiary record under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983. If disorderly conduct fails on First Amendment grounds, resisting arrest loses its legal predicate entirely. Officers receive a C. Initial de-escalation was sound. However, unestablished force, proportionality, Miranda exposure, and on-camera profanity. The subject receives a C+. He correctly invoked counsel and avoided physical violence, but voluntary drug disclosure in custody was a critical error. For officers, objective testing must accompany any intoxication-based arrest. Professional language on camera is evidentiary, not optional. For the public, silence is a constitutional right. Never volunteer statements to law enforcement without counsel present.
Alright, I want my phone.
It's not
I want
Burger
my
King.
girlfriend.
You're not getting either one of those.
No, I want my phone and I want girlfriend.
Do you see where you're at right now?
I don't care, dude.
Okay.
You think I give a shit?
Okay.
I
You
got
care when we
nothing.
take you to the jail.
Yeah, good luck with that.
Today's Wednesday. Pre-arraigned detainee. You'll sit there. Colony court's not till tonight.
Oh, maybe because you were hitting the weed pen all day. Yeah, okay. I hit that this morning.
No.
You.
Keep acting up.
All right, take a seat. Take a seat.
Sit down! Before we put you down. You think you're
I
at?
don't know who the you are, but you're an asshole.
You're right. I'm paid to be an asshole. Therefore, I'm a professional asshole.
I want my phone.
You're not getting your phone.
I want my phone.
No.
I'm calling my lawyer right
I'm not
now.
calling anybody.
That. That's bullshit. That's against the law.
No, it's not.
I want my lawyer. Give me my phone. I'm calling my lawyer. He's gonna you up.
Okay.
That's what's gonna happen.
You're going to jail for now? You're going to see the judge later?
I'm not going to jail.
Yo, you're going to jail. You're going to be there until you go see the judge.
Yeah. That.
You see the judge at 6 o'clock tonight.
Alright, I need to make my phone call now.
You're not making a phone call. You're not entitled to make a phone call here. You're not entitled to make a phone call till you get to jail.
Excuse me. Who's in charge? Me. You? Alright, Mario Committee. I want him. Right now on the phone. Why'd you tackle me like that? Bullshit! I didn't do anything wrong.
That don't matter. It should pull.
Kidding me? Why does the computer shit suck here? Woody Woodpecker over here pecking away for 2 hours.
Dude, I was dying.
Woody Woodpecker.
That's fine.
I own a company, computer company. I can punch 40 words a minute.
That's good. I did
Yeah.
about 39.
Yeah. Well, still kick either one of your asses with one hand.
What are you doing right now?
I'm standing.
Why?
Just so I can breathe. You think you needed to tackle me at the table? Think about it, okay? Just because I'm bigger and stronger and nastier than both of you doesn't mean you have to treat me like shit. I'm a goddamn president. I have 34 people. My payroll is $2.6 million. Asshole. How about you ask me nicely?
Yes, sir.
It's not fair. I want everybody's names. Yeah, and you know what? If I didn't think I'd get a shitload of trouble, I'd rip this thing off the wall, kick the shit out of both of you. I don't care. Do it. No, you guys are assholes. How about the way you handled me? I'm a president of a company. I command respect. I respect people.
Yeah, I started my own company too. I'm a president too.
Yeah, you.
Yeah.
You pay $2.5 million in payroll? I don't think so.
It's really not that much.
2.5 million?
Yeah.
30 people?
Yeah. Average that
Alright,
out.
do the math.
Yeah, it's not that much.
Alright. You're a stud, dude. You should scratch your balls. Dude, I'm not drunk. You think I'm drunk? I'm
That was
pissed.
contradicting.
Okay, yeah.
No.
So that's what's
this
gonna
is
happen.
okay. I schooled both these guys. I said next time, because
Words.
I'm
Words.
no. How about yeah,
Words.
yeah.
Yeah.
Don't tackle me in a restaurant. Douchebag and douchebag. You think I would have went calm? I would have went calm. I own a company. I have a lot to lose. Don't tackle me in a goddamn restaurant, in public, in a airport. You cunts. Listen, how about this, officer?
Sir.
Check this shit out. Can I get out of here now?
Yes,
I'm gonna have you stand up. We're
absolutely.
gonna put your handcuffs behind your back, and then we're gonna bring you over to the jail. You're gonna sit there for a couple hours, and then you're gonna go to court, okay? Just like we've explained to you a couple times now.
Listen, my lawyer said that I'm not going to
Your
jail.
lawyer's
You're
gonna
not
meet
going
you in
to
court.
jail.
You're not gonna be booked into the jail. You're gonna wait there for a couple hours.
Any cuffs?
No, you will be out of cuffs when you get to the jail.
Boy, this is first time, guys.
I'm sorry that.
And just so you know, I offered, if he apologized and he apologized, I would not press charges.
You know the kids, right?
I don't care, dude.
All right.
No, now they're getting hammered.
Do me a favor and face that wall, please.
Yeah, whatever. I'll rip this thing off the
There you go.
wall.
I'm just gonna grab this from you, okay?
Just get me out of here.
Perfect. I'm gonna put you all over there.
You put him on tight, dude. I'm gonna punch somebody.
Okay.
Thank you. That's not too bad. I appreciate that.
Oh, this is gonna be a little uncomfortable.
How about all thing I had to do was apologize and I wasn't gonna press charges, dude?
Sorry to,
They're too proud.
that we're in this.
Little assholes. Yeah.
Listen.
Now I'm pressing charges.
Okay. Whoa, 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 easy, Scott. We're trying to
Listen,
get these
dude,
on the
take
right
it
way.
easy on me, please.
I'm trying.
Okay,
your
you
hand
think
down
I
like that.
deserve this shit?
Whoa, whoa, I'm trying to double off them so they don't get tight on you.
Alright, well, anyway, this one's tight on the left side
They're
now.
both 2 fingers right in there.
Is this all the stuff in the brown paper bag?
Yes, sir.
I still want my phone. I need to call my lawyer. My phone, I'm gonna lose my shit.
Walk right up this way. We're gonna take a left.
You never gave me water either,
Okay, you're
assholes. Don't push me.
I'm not. You can take a right.
Don't push me.
I'm literally not.
Alright, where's my shit?
It's all with us.
Listen, I'm not leaving here without my phone. Listen, I'm not leaving here without my phone.
Guy, we're not gonna fight with you, okay?
I'm not leaving here without my phone.
You're still.
It's my right. I want my phone. My phone is not in there, young lady.
It's open. Should be.
I want my goddamn phone, officer.
What did I tell you I did with it?
Come on,
Yeah, you gave it to my girlfriend. Great.
Come on.
She doesn't know what to do with it.
come on. You don't trust me?
No, it's not cool. I want my phone.
Listen,
It's not
I'm
your
not fighting with you.
I'm gonna have a heyday on you guys. I can't even fit in this car.
That's Saturday
No, I'm
doing
extra
there.
comfort. Here, I'm gonna put the seatbelt on you so you don't.
I don't want a
That's too
seatbelt.
bad.
Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like discussed in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.